Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to reset your Linux password in case you forgot it and you can't get into your computer. Alright, so I'm trying to log into this computer here with the only account that's on it called Bob, and if I put in the password, I get this invalid password, please try again, so I'm stuck. Alright, so to get around it I'm going to use a free tool called Rescatux. So it's an ISO file you download. Then you need to make a bootable flash drive for it so you can boot to it, kind of like you do when you create your Linux installation media. So you could use whatever tool you use to install Linux with to make your flash drive. And I'll also put a link in the description for some other tools you could use to create a bootable flash drive. Alright, so once you have that in the computer, you just need to configure your computer to boot to it, and then you can start the process. So I'm going to shut down the computer here and then reboot with the flash drive and we'll continue on. Alright, so when you get to this screen, you have a minute to make a choice, otherwise it will choose the default option, which is the one you want anyways. So I'm going to press enter here. Alright, so when you get to this screen here, it's going to ask if you want to run the wizard or choose the default settings. So you should just click yes, because if you click no, it's just a bunch of pointless questions like you want to change your monitor, language, keyboard, and VNC server. So you could just click on yes just to not have to go through those screens there. Alright, so now it does the self-test and everything looks good. Alright, so now we're going to start Rescapp, which is a tool within Rescatux. Alright, so now you could read the description if you want, or you could just simply click on menu here. So now we have all of our options here. Expand the screen here. Alright, so we have a bunch of tools for boot options, even for Windows UEFI, partition status, and reinstall. You could do your boot fix for Linux. You have some grub options here to restore grub. So where we want to go is down here in the password section. So we just did a video on this on how to reset a Windows password and actually make it an admin at the same time. But you could also do this for Linux down here in the change Linux password section here. So we just want to click on this button. And you could read about it if you want, but we're just going to click on run to start the process. Alright, so now here you need to choose your partition. It should select the right one for you. I think this one here is just kind of our live session that we're in right now. So we have our Linux Mint ext4 on SDA3, so we'll click OK. Alright, so now it's going to list all the users, all the system users and everything like that. So you just need to find your user account, which is Bob right here. So let's pick it from the list. Click OK. Now we just need to put in a new password for Bob. Let's just put in password for the sake of a password, and then we could change it later if we want. Alright, success. The password was changed. It says we recommend that you change it once you're back in your system. Okay, so now we'll click out of this, except I can't get it on the screen. There we go. Alright, so now at the bottom left, there's a little start button here. Click on leave and reboot. Click on yes. Okay, so now we'll type in our new password of password. Alright, and now we're in. Simple as that. Alright, so once again, just download the Rescatux ISO file, create your flash drive, boot to it. I'll go down to the password section, choose the option to reset your Linux password, choose the right partition, choose your username, give it a new password, reboot, and that's all there is to it. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download the ISO file, and then you can try it yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.